Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our series on starting your business with zero investment. In our last episode, we explored the Stand Up India scheme, a government initiative that provides loans up to 1 crore rupees for SC cent and women entrepreneurs to start their businesses. But what if you're not just starting a business, but actually working on something innovative, something that could change lives, create jobs, or solve major problems in India? That's where the Atal Innovation Mission, AIM, comes in. This is the Government of India's flagship program to support innovation, startups, and research projects with grants, incubation support, and mentorship. Let's break it down. What is Atal Innovation Mission, AIM? Launched by Niti Aayog, AIM is a nationwide initiative to promote innovation, entrepreneurship, and problem-solving across India. The program provides funding, mentoring, and incubation support for students who want to develop new technologies, startups working on high-impact ideas, MSMEs and rural innovators solving critical challenges. Basically, if you're building something innovative, AIM can help fund and support you. Key initiatives under AIM. AIM has 5 major programs depending on who you are and what stage your innovation is in. 1. Atal Tinkering Labs, ATL, for schools. Who can apply? Schools, grades 6 to 12. Funding, 20 lakh rupees per school. Purpose, setting up innovation labs in schools to teach kids STEM, robotics, AI, and more. 2. Atal Incubation Centers, AICs, for startups. Who can apply? Universities, research institutions, private organizations. Funding, up to 10 crore rupees per center, for 5 years. Purpose, setting up startup incubators to mentor and fund new businesses. 3. Atal New India Challenges, ANICs, for innovators. Who can apply? Startups and MSMEs. Funding, up to 1 crore rupees per startup. Purpose, supporting startups that solve national problems in agriculture, health, energy, etc. 4. Atal Community Innovation Centers, ACICs, for rural entrepreneurs. Who can apply? NGOs, rural businesses, academic institutions. Funding, 2.5 crore rupees per center. Purpose, supporting local innovations in small towns and villages. 5. FARIs, Applied Research and Innovation for Small Enterprises, for MSMEs. Who can apply? Startups and MSMEs in R&D and technology development. Funding, grant-based funding for cutting-edge research and innovation. No matter where you are in your innovation journey, AIM has a program to help you grow. Who can apply for AIM grants? Your eligibility depends on the specific AIM initiative. Schools. If you run a recognized school, government or private, you can apply for Atal Tinkering Labs. Universities and incubators. If you're setting up a startup incubator, you can apply for Atal Incubation Centers. Startups and MSMEs. If you have an innovative startup solving a national challenge, you can apply for ANICs or ARISE grants. Rural innovators and NGOs. You can apply for Atal Community Innovation Centers if you work on social impact innovations. Basically, if you're an entrepreneur, student, researcher, or innovator, AIM has opportunities for you. How to apply for Atal Innovation Mission grants? Applying is super simple. Here's how. Step 1. Choose the right program. Decide if you need a School Innovation Lab, ATL, a Startup Incubator, AIC, a Startup Grant, ANICs, ARISE, a Rural Innovation Center, ASIC. Step 2. Visit the AIM portal. Website, www.aim.gov.in. Step 3. Submit your proposal. Fill out the online application. Provide details about your organization, project idea, and funding needs. Submit a business plan and impact analysis. Step 4. Proposal evaluation and selection. The AIM committee reviews applications and selects the best projects. If selected, funding and incubation support is provided. That's it. If you have an idea that can make an impact, AIM can help fund and support you. Why apply for Atal Innovation Mission grants? Funding up to 10 crore rupees for incubators and 1 crore rupees for startups. Support for students, startups, MSMEs, and NGOs. Access to mentors, investors, and experts. Encourages innovation in technology, healthcare, and agriculture. If you have a big idea that needs funding, this is your chance. Where can you apply? Official AIM portal www.aim.gov.in. You can apply online, submit your proposal, and get a chance to receive funding and expert support. What's next? Fund of Funds for Startups, FFS. Now, here's something even more exciting. We've talked about government grants and innovation programs, but what if you're building a startup that needs venture funding without giving away too much equity? That's where the Fund of Funds for Startups, FFS, comes in. In the next episode, I'll tell you how the Government of India invests in startups through FFS, how you can get funding without directly approaching investors, the step-by-step process to apply for startup funding through FFS. And tell me in the comments, if you could solve one big problem in India with innovation, what would it be? Let's discuss. Until next time, keep innovating, keep building.